What's up, guy? Welcome from KitMart, sponsored by YSYH Entertainment Center. Somehow, today I will show you how to hide and unhide your taskbar of your computer. Sometime you are watching or something else. You want to hide taskbar on your computer in Windows 11 or 10. Let's start it. Normally the default setting of taskbar is here, which is the bottom of the computer screen. First of all, you have to right-click on the bar. Then you can see taskbar under personalization setting. You have to go down and click on taskbar behaviors. Scroll down and see automatically hide the taskbar. Then you check on the box. See it. It is hide if your pointer is not there. Your pointer is there, the icon is pop up again. If you don't want to do auto hide, please remove check on the box again. Okay. If you are satisfying this video, please click subscribe button and click the bell on my channel. See you again on next video.